All right, let's move these materials out. Path is clear, proceeding to the loading bay. Cycle start, initiating press. Impact confirmed, deformation successful. Press retracting, cycle complete. This seam needs another pass for strength.
Agreed. The spec shows 2 mm tolerance.
Okay, checking now. Ready on this side. All right, start and torque. Next one, got it. Final approval complete. Cleared for dispatch.
Final check complete. This bus is ready.